No. Wait. Is the camera on? Ah, shit. Okay, alright. Oh, shut the fuck up. Alright. Seems I have to record a video today. Hello guys and welcome to ASG channel again. Boy oh boy, do we have a lot of stuff to cover up today. Jesus Christ. First of all, I wanted to thank you all for everything you've done, because this project is all thanks to you. It's all thanks to your donations to my PayPal account. It's all thanks to the pieces of merch you bought from me. And also, nevertheless, it's all thanks to all the kind words you told me. And I can't be more thankful for such a supportive and kind community. Thank you so much for everything you do. So please, keep buying merch. I need more bikes. There could be coffee. Alright, let's get to the basics. What happened, what has been done, and what still needs to be done. If you watched my previous video, you saw me finally, successfully, unfortunately smashing my goddamn face with a suspension shock. Okay, all the way down. Also, upon my visual investigation, I believe that I have 98% of all the parts available here. Well, for you, this video might be 20 to 25 minutes long, but for me, recording this video would take around a couple of weeks. And I don't understand why I still look at my Mi Band like there is something important. Oh, well, it's actually important. Yeah, it's a message from a girl. I've done a lot of work. A lot of stuff has been done and will be made off screen. It's a boring process, it's uninteresting, it's not catchy, and YouTube, it's all about algorithm and catchy scenes. So I will try to make it as entertaining as possible. So I gotta shut up and let your second brain cell cool down a little bit, and me getting back to work. Wish me success, guys. Oh, fuck. I'm out of coffee. This pisses me off all the time. Okay, now lifting it like that. Now putting the central thing like this. Yes, and in this position, I will be assembling the front end. Now I need this kind of key with a little tooth in here to actually tighten it down. Okay, I think that's enough. Yeah, moves freely. So guys, I have to make 2 holes in here, tap them, and then screw in those kind of things. Well, it's a swing arm, it always swings. The friction inside here is wild. So I was thinking maybe I could modify this so I could be able to oil this joint anytime without disassembling the whole swing arm out of the scooter. So yeah, I think that's a win-win. Let's go. Ooh. Hey, look how freely it moves. Nice. Now we can put the suspension shocks. Yes. Hell yeah! Front suspension. Fucking done. Look at that. Oh my god, it looks fantastic. Alright. Now, we're gonna do the rear part. Damn, son. Oh, God. Alright, now having the front and the rear suspension done, next thing I have to do, take this box out. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Those are the brake drums. They have to be polished. A while ago, I sandblasted them just to have them clean. I hate having dirty parts in my workshop. I clean them all the time. So now what I have to do is to polish them. This is aluminium. It has to be polished because this is a central part of the wheel. And I don't think they're going to look nice just being sandblasted, so I think I will go all out and polish them so they would look shiny just like the suspension shocks and everything I've done on this goddamn scooter. Everything should shine and look beautiful. Oh God, give me strength. Let's go. Come on. Oh my God. Oh. All right, let's go. Yeah, okay. To use my fingers to work it out. Please, no X joke. Come on! Ah, shit. Just... Yes! Ooh!
Hell yeah. Let's go.